Hi ladies, this is Jackie with the Scarf Art channel. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for going to the lower right corner and subscribing to the Scarf Art channel. Today I'm going to show you more looks with the scarf vest. Since we're going into fall, this is one of our best investment pieces, is the scarf vest. Now the looks that I'm going to show you today, I can only guarantee that they will work with the Scarf Art scarf vest. I can't guarantee that they'll work with any other scarf or any other scarf vest. You can find the Scarf Art scarf vest at scarf-art.com. You can order these online. We have lots of different fabrics and lots of different colors, and you can order them online. Today, this is a black and white scarf vest. And I'm going to show you a couple of ways to wear this with a couple of different outfits. This is fall, winter, and lots of layering. I know I do lots of layering with scarves in the fall and in the winter. This particular scarf, what you can do, fold it in half, right? And this is a calf length scarf, so you can do a lot with it. It's about maybe 48 inches. You can do a lot with it. Fold it once, and then you're going to fold it again, and then you're going to fold it one more time, and then you're going to bring it. Actually, I'm going to fold it one more time to make it even smaller. Now, what I'm going to do is, with a rubber band, I am going to make this into one of many designs that you can actually transform this particular scarf into. Any rubber band will do, just a plain old rubber band, pretty much. And you can do a lot with little. You can do a lot with just a rubber band and a Scarf Art scarf vest. So what I'm going to do, ladies, is take this, right? Put one side on top of the other. It doesn't really matter which side, because you're going to even them out. As you can see here, you're going to make sure that the ends are even. So cross it over just a little bit. Put one on top of the other. Come up right above your bust right here. And you're going to take the rubber band and you're just going to put it on like a ponytail. But the thing that's different is this. This time, when you take the rubber band, you're not going to bring it all the way through. You're going to leave some of the material in the rubber band, like that, like so. And then what you're going to do is take the scarf and you're going to split it into two sides, like this. If you can see that, I'm splitting it into two sides and creating a design with the scarf. So this is one style that you can wear with the scarf vest. It's amazing, right? That I was able to take that much material and turn it into something this small. For the most part, you never would think that that would happen. But anyway, here you go. So there you go. So you can wear this as two, like that. And the extra material, you just push it inside of the loop for the most part. Okay, I have on a tank, a black tank. You can wear this with a white tank, any colored tank that you think would complement the scarf. If it is a tank with a pop of color, like a red or a hot pink or a green or a mustard tank, you can do that as well. But what I'm going to show you how to do, ladies, is to layer this, because again, we're in fall and winter. So again, we want to expand our wardrobe, so we want to layer with scarves and with some of our outfits from summer, bringing them into fall and winter. You don't have to leave them all in the closet. You can still, wear some of the same outfits in fall and winter. So what I'm going to do is put this on with a Oxford shirt. This is a white Oxford shirt, right? So I'm going to take this, and of course you can do this with or without the tank with the Oxford shirt. If you just have on a camisole under this, then that would work. But I'm going to take this, right? I'm going to pop my collar with this white Oxford shirt, emphasizing my scarf. I'm going to button this up. And this particular Oxford shirt, the thing about Oxford shirts is they come in so many different varieties. This one has a V in front. Some of them button all the way up top, and this particular one doesn't do that, which works, for this design. Now I'm going to take a vest and put a vest with this outfit. This is a longer vest here that has more of a crew neck collar, but I also have a vest that has more of a V. So I'm going to try it with this one first. And like I said, this is a very long vest. This vest goes down to my knees for the most part. And I normally wear it with a pencil skirt, but you can do this, right? And you can wear it like that. With this particular vest, and you can see this vest has a crew neck, and you can wear it like that, and you can put on a, imagine this, if I just pull this up, imagine this with black pants or a black pencil skirt for the most part, with this vest. And like I said, this is a crew neck vest, and when I say crew neck, I mean it has a rounded neck on it. The other vest that I have is a V-neck vest, which might look better. I would wear both of them for the most part, just to have, you know, a variety of looks, to have more than one look. I would wear more than one type of vest. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you with this vest. And this vest, this is a shorter vest. This one is shorter, right? And this is more of a V-neck. Of course, always pull your shirt down and pop your collar with this particular design. This is more of a V-neck vest for the most part. And then, I mean, you know, if you want to button your vest, you can do that as well. But this one I would definitely wear with some very high heel pumps and a pencil skirt. And you can see it looks really good with the vest and with the Oxford shirt. Now, you could also wear this without a vest at all and just put it on with the pencil skirt with the Oxford shirt. Now, it's still hot outside. We're going from summer to fall. So if you just wanted to wear this with a pencil skirt and the scarf, maybe belted, you know, that would be nice as well. Now, I like to mix my black and whites. I'm a black and white person, and I love to mix black and white. So this is a black and white Oxford or button-down shirt or blouse, whatever you want to call it. And it does have a pattern on it. And that doesn't bother me. Some people, of course, that would bother. Of course, let me take off the white shirt first. Okay, so let me take off this white shirt and put on another white shirt, or another shirt for the most part. Okay, so I'm going to take this off, right? And then I'm going to put on this shirt. I got excited there for a second when I saw this shirt. So here we go. That would be a little bit too much layering to put one kind of shirt on top of another. But anyway, I'm the type person, I'm the type fashionista that likes stuff like this. I love mixing patterns. I love mixing colors. And I'm not, you know, real plain, you know, with the way that I mix my outfits or whatever. So this would be something that I would wear, you know, with of course, I would tone it down on the bottom. I would wear it with a black pencil skirt or black pants or white for the most part. Since you see a lot of white in the scarf, and then you also see a lot of white in the blouse, I would wear it with either a black or white bottom, be that pencil skirt or pants for the most part. So there we go with that. And of course, you want to keep this. In fact, you may want to pin that extra fabric on the inside to make it a lot neater for demonstration purposes and for time purposes. Of course, I'm not being real particular or exact because I know that your time is valuable. But anyway, lady, that's the way you can wear it with a blouse, a black and white blouse, if you like this particular scarf, or, you know, any color scarf, you can mix it. The point is that you can mix it with different patterns. You know, it doesn't have to be solid. You know, the shirt that you put on doesn't have to be white. It doesn't have to be black. But it could be a pop of color. It could be a mustard blouse, or it could be a pink blouse, and you just, you know, mix it up and then put on a black skirt. That would be nice as well. Okay, so that's one way that you can wear this particular scarf vest. You can wear it like that, one design that you can transform it into. And again, like I said, I'm in Texas and it's hot outside, so I can wear this right now with a pencil skirt and then just do it like that. Now, if you want to make it, turn it into one, just put one side into the other. For the most part, you just do that and then just, spread it out a little bit more, make a little bit more room for the design, and then put one inside of the other, and you just have one big design as opposed to two separate. You just do the same thing and make one design. And then again, like I suggested before, you can just pin it like that and do that. Now, if you are looking for a more conservative outfit, something conservative, for work, I know that depending on the work environment that you're in or just your style, I love fashion, so I love style. So this is something that I would have, worn to work like this, right? And then just put a blazer with it. Again, a tweed black and white blazer, right? Put that with it. And you go here and you can dress it up. Dress up, same look, different design. But you can do that as well. Or you can wear this with solid black. I mean, you can wear this with all black. It's really up to you. Like, there's so many different outfits that you can create with just one scarf look. This is a blazer, right? I'm going to show you with this is a kind of like it's a shirt, but it's more of it's a long shirt. So it's more of a duster type shirt. Pretty much, let's see. It's more of a duster because it's pretty long. I mean, it goes beyond goes down below your behind for the most part, but it is long and it's more of like a duster type thing. And I would wear this, right? And just put on a white skirt with it. Or if I want to, be casual that day or whatever, I put on some pants. But if it's for something more formal, I would put on, again, a black pencil skirt or a pencil skirt. And depending on what type of environment you work in, a pencil skirt with a little pop to it with some black pumps. As you can see from most of what I said, black is one of your staple colors, and it will transform along with the scarves a lot of your outfits. So my suggestion to you ladies is to invest. If you don't already have black tanks, get you some black tanks from any department store for the most part to wear up under with your layering. You're going to need some black tanks, blazers, and then you layer the scarf on top of that, for the most part. Well, fall, winter, not just 2021, any fall, winter. This applies, this is universal and this is timeless. So at any time, you would be able to wear a scarf and mix it, with your different outfits and things like that. So I hope that this session was helpful to you and that you'll go in your closet and you'll start mixing and matching, your outfits, pull some of the colors that are in the scarf out and pull those same pieces out of your closet, and then just start mixing and matching and putting it together. If you don't have some of the things, do minimal investments. Go and get you some tank tops to layer with. Go and get you a jean jacket for the most part. There's so many. I can take like one outfit and probably turn it into 10 different outfits for the most part. And hopefully I'm going to be able to help you to do the same. So let me know in the comments if this was helpful to you. I'm hopeful that it was helpful to you. But again, if you will subscribe to our channel and come back and see us and also share us, with your friends and family and other ladies, other fashionistas who love scarves and other women who want to expand and enhance their wardrobes with scarves. Again, this is Jackie with the Scarf Art channel. Thank you for joining me today and thank you for subscribing. I'll see you next time.